The time has come to take on the star roof. And here's what I'm thinking. I plan on using these footers. These are steel hole plugs, if you will. I think they are maybe something like 18 gauge. And I will use those as backing plates for the holes because this is paper thin. I think it was started out life maybe as 22 gauge. And then with the rust eating at it, it's probably not even that. So I'm going to put that on the opposite side, push against it, give me something to weld to. And yeah, it's gonna look like a Dalmatian from underneath, but I don't care. Well, gentlemen, I told myself I wasn't gonna film this because roof repair is fun level 0. But I gotta be honest with you, you don't see sketchy stuff like this very often. So I'm gonna show you what we got going on here, and it's actually going better than expected. That's why I'm showing you this. Man, I wish I could at least find my bottle jack or have 2 more hands. But the welding, just look at the welding of that cross brace. It's a little bit tricky. I mean, it's overhead, and I suck at welding, so overhead is like impossible, but it's turning out pretty good. We will not talk about this section and the dumb way I'm trying to fix it using silver dollars. You know my process, it's gotta get uglier before it gets better. This rust that came back here, yeah, that was bare metal a couple days ago before it rained, so just take my word for it. Let me show you the topness, but here's a sketchy setup. So I had it already set up in the back like this. You gotta do what you gotta do, man. Run what you brung. Beautiful penetration here. These are all 1 1/8 inches apart, plus or minus a couple inches. But yeah, man, I'm still trying to hit 100-day conversion with the rust, y'all, with the rust. So hopefully last dirty day today. Hopefully I can get it done. So wrapping up another long afternoon. It's getting late. I found a good stopping point. The H is welded in. I will show you guys. Pardon me as I make my way around that vehicle here, but I am really pleased with this. I was dreading doing this stuff, and I thought, do I just ignore it and get the car driving? So it's all welded in. Obviously hasn't been grounded yet, but the welding is done. It's solid. I don't think it was welded like this from the factory. I think it was just welded in the corners. So I welded it all in. This needs more silver dollars. It needs a lot more work. I am gonna cover this whole thing with some sort of a headliner, so don't fret. Let's take a look at the top. I am really close to being done with all the welding. So this looks great. I mean, that's almost a straight line. And then here, and I'm working on this, and this is a disaster, so I'm not even gonna show it to you guys. Can I get up here and not hit my head on the garage door opener? There she is. H for awesome. Whew. Thanks for following the electric rabbit build, fellas. Really appreciate you guys watching, leaving some positive comments, leaving some negative comments. I don't care. Oh, maybe 1 or 2 more dirty days, as I call them, and then we can start moving forward. The Weeping Willow wire harness. Thanks for watching, guys. My silver dollar idea was so bad that I decided to do it in the rear as well.